Apple recently unveiled the iPhone 16 series, introducing a few key changes that could significantly impact user experience. Among the most notable updates are the addition of 2 new buttons designed to enhance usability and personalization. The first new feature is the camera control button, a capacitive sensor rather than a traditional physical button. This sensor allows users to quickly launch the camera app and control various settings with ease. By pressing the sensor, you can open the camera and, depending on how much pressure you apply and how you swipe, you can switch between different shooting modes, adjust zoom, and toggle between photo and video. This design is intended to streamline the camera experience, reducing the need to interact with the screen and thus preventing finger obstructions while taking photos or videos. For those who frequently use their iPhone for photography, this could prove to be a significant convenience. The second new button is the Action button, which was previously exclusive to the Pro models but is now available on the standard iPhone 16 lineup. This button offers customization options, allowing users to program it for various functions. For example, you can set it up as a quick access button for commonly used features such as silent mode, speed dialing, or even more specific tasks like ordering coffee. The flexibility of the Action button could make everyday tasks simpler and more efficient, adding a layer of convenience that many users will likely appreciate. Aside from these new features, the iPhone 16's design remains largely similar to that of the iPhone 15. However, Apple has introduced new color options, including vibrant green and pink hues, alongside a few others. This approach continues Apple's trend of offering bright colors for the standard iPhone models, in contrast to the more subdued tones typically found on the Pro versions. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is equipped with Apple's new A8 chip. This chip is designed to deliver improved performance, particularly in relation to Apple's new AI features. Apple is positioning the iPhone 16 as the first model built from the ground up for their new AI platform, Apple Intelligence. Although many AI features will be rolled out in phases, with some arriving next month and others later, one of the most anticipated features is visual intelligence. This feature will allow users to quickly launch the camera and gather information about objects or places by simply pointing the camera at them. For instance, if you see a restaurant and want to know its hours or reviews, you can use visual intelligence to get that information instantly. Another notable improvement is in battery life. The iPhone 16 boasts a larger battery, although specific details about the size haven't been provided. Combined with the power efficiency of iOS 18 and the new A18 chip, this should result in longer battery life. However, detailed testing will be necessary to fully evaluate this improvement. Overall, the iPhone 16 series brings some exciting enhancements, particularly with the introduction of the camera control and Action buttons. These additions, along with new color options and performance upgrades, suggest that Apple continues to focus on improving user experience through practical innovations. Keep an eye on Z-Tech for further updates and in-depth reviews as we continue to explore the iPhone 16 series.